Hey guys, so today I'm gonna show you how to make black edges, and you can just see what it is right here.
Used to call back, now don't call back.
Yeah, as you can see, this black edges is the black bars that's going down, and yeah, it looks very good. I used it to overdid it, and yeah, that's why it looks best. Yes, so I'll teach you guys how to make this. Just start, make a new composition. Yeah, we'll make it 20 seconds, so we have something to work with. Go into we'll take this clip. I really don't know what it is. Yeah, then we will cut it when he comes up here, right there. We'll just cut some. Take edit, split layer, and then delete this. So now we have this part. Okay. So what we will start with is adding a solid and just make it black and comp size, and we will call this black edges. So now you can see it's all black. So we'll go out in effect and presets and type in CC Jaws and add that to our edges. So now you can see it's still black, but if you take this composition, take it to 100, you can see it's all, there's no black now. So we can keyframe just like that. So we want black edges that looks the best all the time, but just a little bit under. So we will set it to 64. Oh, and then we will take the height and set to 0, so it doesn't have those ugly things there. Yeah, 0. So that's fine. And then we need it to right where he shoots, around there. Just goes down to about 1 second. Yeah. So we'll start right there. Then we keyframe 74, go 1 frame forward, and type in. Yeah, that's fine. So go forward for where he shoots. Type in 25. Yeah, that's good. And then go about a half seconds forward, and then a little longer. Then type 100. Nice, 74 again. So we still have black edges. So now you can see it's just it's a very easy thing to do. So that's one of the easiest effects in my opinion. So I can teach you guys how to make it look a little bit better. So if you go up, make a new solid again, just make it all that comp size, then drag it under black edges, then go out here and type fill, go down, take this, take it over to our black solid, and we're just gonna rename this to light. Yeah, doesn't matter. We know this is our light. Then we we'll make this white, and then we can see the opacity, but when we go down and press T on our keyboard, the opacity comes up. So we'll set this to 0. So we know where he shoots right there. So we'll take it to, we'll take it to about 55. Yeah, that's good. Then go a half seconds. Yeah. Then go around second later, almost a second. Then type in 0. Now you can see it's have this effect. Oh, we'll just take it from there, then 1 frame back and type in 0. So it, bam. Okay, now we can see it's, ooh, and it looks really boring. Looks pretty ugly. But when we add a and if we add an adjustment layer and take Magic Bullet Looks, go right here, you can see a lot, and then we'll open Magic Bullet Looks. Yeah, my computer is a little slow, it always takes some time to open. So here we got it. Now, oh yeah, it needs to load all these first. We will choose one with a lot of light. I'll go down to Daracibos. I think he's the best. Come on, yeah, there. That's maybe a little. Oh god, fuck. Now, if we see in a minute, it should come up right here. Oh my god, come on, man. What the fuck? Yeah, now it comes up. Maybe a little too much, so we'll just bring this a little bit down. And take this, and then take a little bit out. Just make this little here, yeah. And then take, yeah, that's fine. This, you can do it better, but I'm just gonna do it quick. So again, shit computer, so it will take a minute. Almost there, like this. Now if we just make this quick, take it right there, and then we just make a quick preview. Now you can see it doesn't look so boring anymore. It comes this, yeah, very nice flashlight. And then go out, yeah, it looks very good. So that's about it. Now I can also show you guys how to add sounds, gun sounds. I will put the 2 gun sounds in the description, so you can just go down there and download them. So we'll just go right there. Versage, we can just, yeah, it's right there. Yeah. Oh, there. We'll take this and then this. So what intervention? We'll right click, go to time reverse layer. Now it's, yeah, reversed. So we'll just go 1, 3, 4, and then up in audio and then drag it all the way up. And explosion door, we will go a little bit up, not all the way, and then take an intervention again, which will just go, it did duplicate. Now we have one more. With that one we will go to time reverse layer, because we don't want that to be reversed. And that one we will take a little bit down, so like that. Yeah, so we can, now we'll see it again. It should just need to, yeah, we'll just take this a little bit more out, and then we will have the whole part here. Just take it from here. So now it should be almost, give it a minute, right there. Yeah, that sounds very good. Just take the explosion doll a little bit more up there, and then we'll take it. Yeah, think it looks very good. So this was the tutorial on black